So firstly, I wanted to say thank you for visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're enjoying the content, please like, subscribe, comment, and stick around till the end, because I started this as a pot pour and I'm just mixing up my paints as you can see, but I wasn't happy with the results, and then I sort of changed it. And so I thought I'd share it with you to give you ideas of, if you're doing a pour and it's not really working, here are some ideas, on how to do something different. So like I say, stick around to the end. I think it's worth watching. Just wet my pot. This is pre-mixed paint that I used, and it didn't, I did a pour and it didn't look very nice. So I'm just gonna, and I just like to wet my pot. I find it helps the paint travels better. Our pot is covered. And now I've got my pot. I'm gonna start here. And take it around, and I'm just gonna go back over there, and then come across here. And I'm going to do the same over here. I've got quite a lot of grey here, so I want to get some more colour back in there. Just showing you how because there's quite a lot of paint on the top of this pot, I'm just tipping it off. Interesting. I don't usually work with such dark colors. So it's here that I decide that I just don't think I like the way this pot has turned out. And I will be honest, I sort of sit and ponder a bit, and then I start basically pouring different colors in the pot. And like I say, I'm really actually quite happy with the results. It's ended up looking pretty cool. So I wanted to share it with you guys just to give you ideas if this ever happens to you. There are ways of saving your pour. So I guess when something happens that's not ideal, it's it's good to maybe not always not to give up. Just keep on trying and see what happens, as I did with this pot. interesting. So it's actually quite nice because the bottom of the pot's got the pore section still in sections. So it's making an interesting sort of colour. But portioning that orange and those different colours down it has created a very interesting sort of pattern. So it looks quite cool.